take a moment to look at all those present. All those present who have come to witness and celebrate your love and commitment this day.
Every day I fall more and more in love with you. There is still no better way to say it. I love you forever.
You are the love of my life, and I am so excited to share our lifetime as husband and wife. I love you.
As this ring encircles your finger,
From this moment forward,
so will my love forever encircle you.
Hand fasting is an old tradition. With each wrap of the cord, you deepen your commitment to each other.
These are the hands of your best friend. These are the hands that even when wrinkled and aged, will still be reaching for yours.
We now pronounce you husband and wife.
Another round of applause to everybody involved.
thank you so much. We wouldn't be anything without the family and friends around us.
You guys mean the world to us, and it is an absolute honor and privilege to have you all in the same room. Thank you so much. Now let's party.
Mwah.